Root 2 equal to 8 power x. Find the x value. Root 2 equal to 8 power x. Root 2 can write as 2 power 1 by 2. 8 equal to 2 cube whole power x. 2 power 1 by 2. So this is 3 into x, 3x. A power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So 3 into x, 3x. Base equal, so exponents are equal. 1 by 2 equal to 3x. 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 equal 3x. So x equal to 3. Here multiply transfer to division. 1 by 2 into 3. So 1 by 6. So finally x equal to 1 by 6.